How to fix Messenger chat heads not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video we are going to learn how we can fix if our Messenger chat heads are not working on our Messenger app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So what are Messenger chat heads? Messenger chat heads are simply the little bubbles that pops up whenever you get a new message on Messenger, and the good thing about it is that you don't have to open the Messenger app itself in order to reply to a message on Messenger. So if your Messenger chat heads are not working, then you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. The first thing I'm definitely going to show you is that you want to make sure you have the option chat heads enabled. For that, you want to simply open your Messenger app. Once you open your Messenger, tap on your profile icon on the top left hand side of the screen, and as you tap on your profile icon here, scroll to the bottom of the screen and you'll find an option called chat heads. You want to make sure that this toggle is currently turned on, and as you can see in my case it is turned off. So you want to simply make sure that this toggle is currently turned on, and then here it says chat heads let you talk on Messenger. So you want to go to settings and then also allow all the permissions right over here. Turn on the Messenger toggle and then come back right over here. If this worked for you, that's perfectly fine. Most of the time this is going to fix the issue. If not, then the next thing we want to do is make sure we have an up-to-date version of Messenger app. So open your app store. In the search box you want to simply type in Messenger and make sure that you have an up-to-date version. As you can see in my case I have the open button. So if you have an update button, go ahead and simply update the application first. Now if this didn't work for you as well, the next thing you want to do is simply clear the cache and storage file. So for that you want to simply long press on the Messenger app, and here at the top right you'll find an option called eye icon. So simply tap on the eye icon to go to the app information page. Here you want to simply select storage option at the bottom. Once you go to storage, you want to simply try to clear the cache and clear the data of this app. Then come back, re-log into your Messenger app, and here you want to go to permissions at the top. Once you go to permissions, you want to make sure that all of the permissions are currently turned on. And finally you can see that we have fixed this issue. Now if all of this solution didn't work for you, then the final thing I could only suggest is first of all open Messenger app and log into your account. And after you log into your account, simply open any of the chat of which you want to open the chat head of. Once you open the chat, on the top right you want to simply tap on the eye icon. As you tap on the eye icon, again you want to simply tap on the three dots, and over here you want to simply select open chat head. And as you tap on open chat head, you can see it will open a pop-up menu like this one of your chat heads. So as you can see, we have successfully opened this chat head if none of the solutions actually work for you. So we hope this fixed your issue. If it did fix the issue, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.